Can you find the symmetrical shape in these two pieces? It looks simple at first glance, but trust me, this is way harder than it seems. Check this out. There are literally dozens of ways to position these two pieces, but every single time you try to lock them in, you end up with a weird gap or a random element that just doesn't belong. It's like they weren't designed to fit together at all. Look at the shapes. One of them has this very strange cutout, and the only thing these two have in common is that one slanted edge. Everything else about them is totally different, which makes the whole task feel impossible. At one point, I thought this was a sick joke, and I was just wasting my time on a puzzle that didn't even have a solution. How are you supposed to build a symmetrical figure when the parts are this mismatched? I went through so many different setups. On this attempt, you can see there's a massive hole right in the middle. And if I move it like this, now we've got a piece sticking out that ruins the whole symmetry. It's a total head scratcher. Turns out I was wrong because I was looking at it from the wrong angle. You have to switch up your perspective at the right moment. If you stop trying to force them side by side and just flip your view, boom! The correct symmetrical shape is right there in front of your eyes.